Hey, I'm at the Rust Common West, and this is another video showing you how to get alien weapons. And a lot of money. Alright, so first, I usually go and get a vehicle. You don't have to, but it helps. Alright, you gotta go across this bridge. Go around here. And you don't have to boost, but it helps. And sometimes you kind of get stuck here, but okay. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go down this little crevice right here. This little crack in between here. If you go much farther, you're gonna get killed. So usually there's alien weapons. Guess that time there wasn't, but it's a good chest. You usually get a lot. Now, when you got a lot of money or you don't want to lose very much any money, don't just run off right here. What you want to do is exit. You don't lose any money. You keep your guns. You're all cool. So I'll see you later.